Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Safari private browsing on your iPhone or iPads. This is going to allow you to not have your search history saved or anything like that. It's going to be completely private, so you're able to surf the web how you want without having to worry about any history or anyone tracking what you're doing. So it's really, really easy to do. All you have to do is go over to Safari on your phones and then go over to the bottom right corner where you see the two little squares to open up another tab. And then in the bottom left corner, you will see there's an option for private. And once you go on here, you can then open up a new tab, and then you will see right away it says private browsing mode. Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information after you close a tab in private browsing mode. So this will allow you to search the web without your search history saving and stuff like that. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to use Safari private browsing on your iPhones. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.